Welcome back to the Fadhili Family YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider liking and subscribing to this YouTube video. For our returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, please join me as I carry out some chores in the kitchen and be sure to look out for a sink cleaning hack towards the end of this video. Please join me. I'll start by cleaning the dishes. What we've used today so far. I now want to wash my sink after having washed my dishes. So I have a light pack that I normally use when I'm cleaning my sink. So I'll use bicarbonate of soda. Like 3 teaspoons. Then next, I'll use, I normally use my liquid soap so that I can form a paste. Pouring now. Like that. So that's the liquid soap and the bicarbonate of soda. Then I'll mix this together. So guys, this is the paste. So I'll spread it into my double sink, starting from bottom coming up. Spread it all around the sink. So that you leave it for 5 to 10 minutes to absorb that. Yes, we'll be back about 10 minutes. Scrub it. So guys, this is 10 minutes later. So I'll use a scoring pad to scrub. So I'll scrub the sink from top going down, as you can see. Continue scrubbing. This is a process you can do on a weekly basis or as and when you feel your sink requires a thorough wash. Don't forget to also scrub the parts leading to the drains. There are holes in the middle of the sink. Parts. And once you're satisfied with scrubbing, you can start rinsing. So at this point in time, I'll take care of the sink drains, and I will do this by pouring in hot water into the drains. The hot water will stop any smells that come from the drains, any bad emissions, and also any oil residues that are in the drains will be taken care of by the hot water. So we're on to the next sink. So if you have any essential oils, you can also pour them into the drains. Then after that, I will dry off the sink. As well as the tap. Guys, I'm very happy with the results. So remember what we used, it was bicarbonate of soda and the liquid soap, or any other soap that you use to clean your dishes. So until our next video, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to share this video, be sure to subscribe and like. Thank you and goodbye.